So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your first 50 to $100 on Poppo. Okay, so yes, for those ones asking if Poppo is still paying, Poppo is still paying. You can see it here, and I'm just going to show you three things you can basically do to achieve this your 50 to $100, because these are the things that I usually do to always cash out 50 to $100 every month here on Poppo. Okay, so yes, let's just get right into this video. And the first thing I'm going to be recommending you to do on Poppo, if you want to be cashing out that your 50 to $100 every day, is not even by going live, it's not even by performing that your party tax, is by playing games. See, a lot of people has skyrocketed their revenue playing just games on Poppo. When you go to Poppo, or if you're new on Poppo, there are a lot of games for you to be able to play. Bali Travel, Lucky Wheels, Lucky Number, Fruit Rotil, Golden Flower, Ocean Hunts, New Fishing Era. And basically what you're going to do is to learn how to play this game. There are people on the app that knows how to play these games so well. So you need to learn from them as well. One of the people I'm going to be recommending for you is King Richie agency. So yes, probably at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you guys his ID number so that you can join his agency. Tell him you're coming directly from Sonia. He is going to teach you the exact games that he's actually playing. So be it any kind of game he's going to teach you, because you are going to just make him money. Okay, so yes, so just stick right hook with me to the end of this video so that you can get that one. So this is the first level I know that you can actually do to get your $100 or your $50 every month on Poppo. That's the honest truth. It's not even by going live. It's not even by sitting on the crown seat. You can see that a lot of people are sitting on the crown seat here, but at the end of the day, there is no even coins that is gambling on them. You can see that there is nothing happening literally on this platform. So even if you still go ahead to sit on a party seat, that nothing is happening, you're not going to be making money. So instead of you always wasting time to sit on the party seat, go and look for ways to play games. And if you're playing games, trust me, every month you'll be cashing out on Poppo. And let's go to the second thing that I want to say. The second thing that can actually bring that coins for you on Poppo is by gambling. That is the honest truth. Gambling is another thing that has really helped a lot of people. But one thing I will tell you is that if you're new on Poppo, don't just keep pushing yourself and point out baby coins. Start from the small level. And how do you gamble? If you click on the gift icon that I just clicked, you just need to click on what? You click on Lucky here. So let me go back so that I can also click on the gift icon, this gift box you are seeing. So if you click on it, you can do what? Click on Lucky, not the gift place, please. If you're clicking on the gift place, that means you're just giving, or anybody you're putting the coins on, you're just dashing that person. Okay, so you click on Lucky. Lucky is places where you can gamble with, and you can see new hit hot items. And this new hot item that you're seeing here, that they're writing hot are something that can actually give you triple your coins or double your coins fast. So the good part of this gambling that I always tell people about is you must not even buy coins for you to say, oh, I'm buying coins to come and gamble. I'm not saying you should not buy coins. You can buy coins, but I'm just saying it is not a must. So if you don't have money to buy coins, you are going to do what? You're going to click on this your treasure box. So you can see this box ahead of me that is counting down 51 minutes 50 something seconds. So you're going to wait for it and make sure you collect all your treasure box every day. That's exactly how I was able to gather this 2,858 coins. Okay, so I make sure that every day I collect my treasure box coins from here, and then I use that treasure box coins to either exchange or gamble. You understand? So if you are not gambling on Poppo, if you are just here saying, oh, you just want to come and perform just your tax and then you just want to leave this Poppo, at the end of the day, you're not going to be getting that your $100. So if you don't have money to buy coins, what you need to do is to do what? Is to make sure you wait for the countdown of this treasure box coins. Right now, the treasure box coins countdown is 1 minute 4 seconds, and I'm going to wait for the countdown. Then I'm going to be receiving it. You can see that right now I have 2,858 coins here. So now you are going to what? Learn how to gamble gradually. A lot of people don't know how to gamble, but the first thing they are going to do, I saw somebody that the first thing that he did was to click on 88 or the 500 aspect of the gambling. Once you click on the 500, immediately you send 500 coins directly is going to go to this person. And at the end of the day, you might end up losing. So if you want to gamble gradually to learn very well, you put your gambling stuff on one, exactly the one that you're seeing here, and then you're going to be choosing two people. Don't gamble on everybody in the panel, for crying out loud, if you don't know how to gamble. Imagine I went and click on and gamble on every other person. Yes, there's 99% possibility that I'm still going to win. But for your own safety, gamble on two persons. If you want to choose the host and anybody, if you don't even want to choose the host, you want to choose any other person in the panel, any person, just gamble on two person, then you double tap and send. Double tap and send. Okay, if you want me to do a full video on how to do gambling, let me know, then I'm going to be showing you. By doing this, you are going to be accumulating your 50 to $100 fast on Poppo, and you're going to be withdrawing. First, let me go and claim this my reward. You can see that I have 5 coins. This is the least coin that I've been able to get from treasure box, but the highest coin I've been able to get is 40 coins, and of which, if they are giving you 5 coins, highest they're going to be giving you like five coins like 3 times, and the remaining one are going to be like 40 coins. You can see that my coins have increased here. So learn how to gamble, learn how to gamble wisely and win. And just for disclaimers, know that gambling is a game of win or lose. Okay, so that is why I said you have to take your time to learn this thing from the gradual process before you hit into the bigger aspect. You can see a lot of system messages that is happening here, how this person played this game and this person is winning, and every other winning that you're going to be seeing, you're going to be seeing all of them here. The next place you can get your coins and withdraw fast on Poppo, let me show you that place now, is what? Invite link, which is referring people. Referring people is very important. You can see that I woke up this morning with 50,000 coins, and the ones I've been able to claim for this month, I've claimed 310,000 coins. The 310,000 coins is over what? Is over 30, is over 30,000 coins, 30,000, sorry, $30 already. Per every invite, you get to make $4, and this is on a gradual level. Let me show you. For example, if you go to my message here, if you go to my message here and you check my income reminder, you are going to be seeing how I've been able to make. You can see I got 10,000 coins from Ada, and this Irene, I just got another 30,000 coins from Irene, and I've gotten another 10,000 coins for Irene before. You can see these are my income reminder. You can see this is the same Irene, 10,000 coins. So the more these people keep performing their tasks, or the more the people you keep referring keep performing their tasks, you are going to be making money. You are going to be making money. Okay, so it is very important for you to understand the basics of Poppo before you start referring people, because at the end of the day, if you refer people and people are not performing their tasks, you're not going to making anything. You can see that this Ada that I just got my 10,000 reward coins from her, if you check right now, Ada is live. She is performing either a petty tax, or she's opening her party panel. You can see it here, so you can see her here. So because they need to know what they are coming to do, they need to know how they are going to be making this money. So if you also want to be getting the 50 to $100 every month on Poppo, this is exactly what you're going to do. So right now I'm going to go ahead and claim my reward, and you can see once I claim my reward, I'm going to confirm it. You can see that automatically I've gotten extra $5 this morning. So you can see that right now, from 55 that I have here, I've gotten what? $60 on Poppo. So if you are doing these particular things, I've been able to show you these three amazing things, you are going to be making your 50 to $100 every month on Poppo, and you're going to be cashing out. And trust me, there's possibility of you getting more than 50 to $100. People are cashing out $2,000, because the highest you can cash out, the maximum you can cash out every day is $2,000. People are cashing out $1,000. People are cashing out $5,000. So, anyways, I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. If you have not joined Poppo and this is the first time you're hearing Poppo, do well to check in the description box. My Poppo link is there. Register. Let me know that you have registered, and we're going to be working hand in hand together. Lastly, before I forgot, I told you guys that I'm going to share with you guys an agency that you can actually join for the guy to be able to teach you guys how to play games. So this is the agency. This agency is King Richie's agency, and this is his ID. So the ID is 3970534. So you can just click on my agency, join the agency using this particular ID. Tell him you're coming from Miss Sonia, and trust me, everything is just going to be on the right point for you. He's going to walk you through hand in hand on Poppo, how you can be able to cash out every month on Poppo. So with no further ado, I'd like always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.